Alright, so if you're working with videos that are lower resolution than your project's resolution, there's a really cool feature that can help. It lets you increase the resolution of those videos. For example, imagine I have a video clip that actually don't even have to imagine, because I have a video. If I look here on file, I see the resolution 1280 by 2720 resolution, and that's not a good resolution, that's for sure. So to make it look sharp and higher quality, the first thing I like to do is to bump up the timeline resolution. So let's crank it up to all the way to 4K. So I'm gonna go here to project settings, and here I'm gonna crank this app to Ultra HD, which is 4K resolution. And now with the timeline resolution cranked up, let's enable the super scale option. So you'll see the video sharpness improves right away. So now you just have to click on here. Super scale is located here in the inspector, and you can see the difference clearly now. And they are different. For this super scale, we have actually different modes. We have here 2x enhanced, 3x, 4x. We can add high sharpness, but probably will computer will start to lag. My DaVinci almost crashed for me. So yeah, DaVinci Resolve just crashed. That's why I think if your computer is not that powerful, and here in super scale, make sure you change this for 4K to 2K, and then you just increase sharpness or decrease the way you like it, the way you prefer. You can increase, decrease. You can change the noise reduction the way you prefer. So because in my experience, I've tried this, and it can give you good results obviously if you use 4K, but 4x, sorry. And but yeah, now depends. You can also just, as I said, tweak sharpness and noise reduction to your liking. Because if your computer is not too powerful, 4K it's actually not going to give you, it's going to give you good results, but you're gonna have a hard time tweaking this and using it. Make sure this will render. Also change this to render to smart and proxy to half or even quarter, and then you just have to render your videos. So render your video to see the results. That's the best when your computer is not that powerful. So you have the resolution. We just need to change your location, add your file name, and click on add to render queue, and then click on render. Make sure you tweak the right, or you have the right options. I'm gonna set this to maximum. Actually, I'm gonna set to 4K, and this to high as well. And I'm just gonna render this way. I already see that it's lagging. So now I'm just click on render.